Hi guys, Toby here with Outside Creations. Today me and Pete, along with Wex Photo Video, have put together a pack of 4K light leaks and lens flares. If you want to download them, click the link in the description below. We're going to show you how we created this pack and how you can apply the lens flares and light leaks to your own footage. If you want to see more photography and videography related videos, click subscribe down below.
Alright guys, it's Pete with you now. What we're going to do first is obviously drop your clips into the timeline, and I'm going to give mine a quick colour grade. Okay, so now what you want to do is grab the overlays you've downloaded and just put them onto your timeline, but put them a layer above your current footage. There's quite a few leaks and flares in this pack, but I'm going to choose the brightest one I can because the sequence I'm editing is already pretty sunny and bright. If you're adding them to a darker scene, using some more subtle flares might work better. So in this case I want to use the flare as a transition, so what I'm going to do is find the brightest part and try and get that centered on the cut between the two clips. Now to make this overlay actually work, what you need to do is go to the effects control panel and then under opacity and blend mode choose screen. And already that's giving the footage a really cool flared, interesting look. So if you want to have a bit more control over how the flares look, you can use things like opacity. So in my case I'm going to bring that down a tiny bit just to make it look a bit more natural. And the other thing you can do quite easily is just change the colour temperature. So if you bring that up, it gives the flare a more sort of warm sunny glow, and if you bring it down it's a bit more cool. Okay, so I'm really happy with how this looks for a quick example. It really adds some more interest into the scene and makes it feel a bit more summery and warm.
I hope you guys have learned something from this video and that you enjoy your free pack of overlays. If you've got any questions, just leave a comment below, and until then we'll see you guys next time.